In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bet on the weather. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So we will be using this platform called Polymarket, where you can basically bet or invest on anything you can think of. And if you don't have an account yet, I will leave a referral link in the description below that will give you a special offer or a bonus on your first deposit of at least $20. So after you create your account and deposit right here, if you want to bet on the weather, you need to go to this category right here, climate and science, and then you will find the weather right here. You can also bet on other things like earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, and more. So just scroll down and see what you like the most. For example, the temperature increase on February. You can also bet on the precipitation in New York City in February and much more. So you can just go to the bet you want to do, for example this, and you can bet on the exact increase you think that's gonna happen. So for example, let's say this is our peak, we can buy yes or no, we can invest as much as you want, and you will see the potential gains right here. And whenever you want, you can also sell and cash out the money. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.